If you feel like you need a powerful breath work to make you feel more motivated or to feel more happy, we will use your Kapalabhati breath, and that involves a forceful exhale all the way out through the mouth, and you will be pushing your belly in to exhale. And your inhales will just be very short through the nose. It's not a very deep breath. Again, it is a forceful breath pushing air out. It will look something like this. So you're exhaling everything through the nose. And if you have blood pressure or if you feel like there are ulcers in your stomach or feeling acidic, please avoid doing this so you don't feel uncomfortable. If you're ready to try it out, have a nice seat and then sit yourself with your spine tall and long. Take a deep breath in, and we start by exhaling out. Take a deep breath in and exhale, sigh it out. One more time, inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Continue with your regular breath until you feel more settled, and then you can proceed with the rest of your day.